So the thing that we will be unboxing today is the Zoom H5, which is a portable recorder. It can work as a handheld recorder, or it can be put on a stand, and it has got two XLR inputs as well as a built-in microphone unit. So let's first have a look at the box. This is the front side. It just says 4-track portable recorder with interchangeable mic system. Then mic capsule can be swapped out easily with other optional Zoom mic capsules. On the back side it says the world needs creators, people willing to contribute something original, inspiring, powerful. And then it has the features and what is included in the package, which we will have a look at quite soon when opening it up. And then there's just a picture of a person playing guitar and a person doing a video shoot. So that's what's on the box. On top it says also that Steinberg Cubase LE and Wavelab LE is included, as well as a 2 GB SD memory card. That's it. Let's get into the box and see what we find. So, opening the box up. This is what appears. I'll put that aside. And we also have... So, here's the operation manual. The box is now empty, so I will put it aside. And now we'll have a look at the actual content of the box. So first of all, we have a USB cable, and this is let me see which one it is. A mini USB cable, regular mini USB. Then we have two AA batteries, alkaline AA batteries. We have the foam protector or pop filter or similar that you'll put on top of the microphone. Yeah, just a very basic one, not super high quality. And then we have the recorder itself, as well as a micro SD card with an adapter to regular USB. So we're gonna open up the box with the actual recorder. We find it under some padding, and then it's covered up in protected material. Taking it out of the case. And here we have it, the Zoom H5 recorder. And I can tell you straight away, it has a really good feel to it. Like it's a proper high quality feel with a kind of rubberized material. The mic capsule that easily comes off when you press the two buttons at the side. You can put it back like that. The shock mounted microphones, and yeah, it feels super sturdy. 2 XLR inputs, the SD card, the menu, remote, here the compartment for batteries, and the stand mount. So now I'll do the very first sound test with this mic. So I will just take the included accessories, and then I will do a sound test, and you will hear how this microphone sounds. And before wrapping up, I just want to say that I bought it together with a 16 gigabyte SD card with really high transfer speed, as well as the toolkit, accessories kit. So I will do an unboxing on the accessories kit as well. Alright, now for the sound test and audio quality test of the Zoom H5 with a built-in microphone. I have put it right here on a stand with the foam pop filter on, and we're gonna unbox the accessories kit as a sound test for this one. So it's time to unbox the accessories kit for the Zoom H5. This accessories kit is called APH5, and it includes a hairy windscreen, which is also referred to as a dead cat. It's a remote control, and it's an AC power adapter. And looking around on the different sides, you can see those accessories on images. So let's get into the package and see what these accessories look like. And as you can see, I am doing the recording on the Zoom H5. I have it in the image just for the sake of it, so that you can see from where it's picking up audio. So we have this box in the box. So we put the first box aside and bring the other box. Alright, so the first thing that comes up is the hairy windscreen, or dead cat. It is indeed very hairy, and it's got a little drawstring so that you can get it to fit snug around the H5. That's cool. Putting it aside. We then have a USB cable. I believe it's the same kind that came with the Zoom H5. And then we have what I would assume is the microphone cable. No, sorry, the remote cable. And it seems to be a little bit hard to dig into. Let me just cut that open. Yeah, so this is a cable, I think, to connect the remote control and get a long cable for the remote control. Putting it aside, we have the actual remote control. Let's open it up. Yeah, now it makes more sense, the last accessory, because this plug is what goes into the Zoom H5, and this cable, we can just make the remote control cable longer. So with the remote control, you can do rec, play, pause, stop, forward and back. You can activate microphone channel left, right. You can do volume plus and minus, and you can also activate and deactivate XLR inputs 1 or 2. That's quite necessary, I can say. And in the last little box, we have the power adapter. Just a regular USB power adapter. So, putting the packaging aside, what we have in total. Is this. Power connector, the cord to make the cable longer to the remote, the actual remote, dead cat, and a regular USB cable. So that's it for this unboxing, and see you in the next video.